What's up, y'all? This is gonna be my first video trying this out. Been riding for a while and I really started liking the moto vlogging aspect of this. I've seen a few people be doing it. Some hilarious videos out there. I'll throw some shout outs and some future videos. Get it, get it. The sun's out, a little bit of clouds. It's had a rainy spell here for the past few weeks. Good old Cali weather. Surprisingly, this is the most rain we've had in what seems like the past decade. That is one thing I definitely like about California. The only state that allows the lane splitting. I feel bad for y'all in all these other states. Some of these moto vloggers I've been watching, I feel bad for you guys. Cutting to the front, it's nice. Yeah. That's the other thing you gotta worry about on a bike. Is all the drivers, all these cars. They don't see you, so you gotta see them. Puppy! Dun 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 dun. Kinda feel like you're looking for something. And this guy is either drunk or you don't know where he's going. It's too early in the morning to be drunk. Well, I guess that depends on who you are. And this guy can't even stay in his lane on a turn. Another doggy. Doggy, huh? Just got my coffee, now I'm gonna go to work and just walk on down the street. And this guy over here is like, I'm getting ready to sell some homes. I get my pretty little sign up, put some flags on it. Right there, just like that. Oh, no, wait. There we go. Let me fix that right there. We go. I claim this plot mine. The Shag Shop. Dang! Just gonna scoot on over. Oh, that's a nice rod. Or you could blow the light. I guess when you're not in a vehicle, you can just do whatever you want on the street. Judging. We're gonna go in the middle of this side. These trucks. Righteous. It's a lot easier to go this way than that way. Oh. Damn girl. Looking for a race. Nah, I can't race you though. Oh. We got ourselves a race here, ladies and gentlemen. I won. By default. Wait for it. Ah, man. Bites dust. Dun. Another one bites the dust. This chick over here in her little FRS is jamming it out. So now I'm gonna have that stuck in my head all day. You want a race, girl? Little soccer mom in her SUV over here, trying to beat the light. I bought a Prius so I can be eco-friendly, but now I'm gonna drag race it. Oh, okay, go. Yeah, red light, dumbass. I got that crap stuck in my head now. Whoa, Nelly. Oh, this guy. Cool, bro. Made it. Oh, this guy. Big ass car and shit. Just gonna do this. Deuce! When you gotta go, bro. The other day I saw this dog just taking a load off in the middle of a concrete sidewalk. Busy street and everything. Oh, it's hilarious. Another one. What is with all these crazy ass jaywalkers? 2 more puppies. It's like a puppy day. It's like half a dozen or something now. Num 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 and we had another jaywalker. That's right, bro. That's what, 3 now? I think that's 3. Damn, she plowed right into me. And that's why you gotta be looking, people. Alright guys, well, thank you very much. If you like this video, I hope to be making a lot more in the future, and we shall see where it leads.